Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to Kyogre Gaming. Today we have the Xiaomi Mi3 with us and we are going to be unboxing it. So, looking at the box here, it's backwards for you. It's a brown box with Mi written up here, and on the back, Mi and some what's written here? Yeah, in the box, technical specifications, network, wireless, and all those type of stuff. So let's just open the box. There's a plastic cover on top. So let's just take out the cover. Okay, so now that the cover's off, let's just lift this top. Oh, there we go. Okay, so in the box, you get the device itself first. So let's just put the device aside. This is the device itself. Putting the device aside, let's look at what else is inside the box. So you just take out this flap. You get the round pin USB. This is the USB to micro USB charging cable. And these are the manuals. You just open it from here. That's the SIM ejection tool. And other manuals. Putting those aside, we have nothing else in the box, as you can see. So putting all that aside, let us get to the device itself. So first of all, let's peel this off. Anyways, putting that to the side, let's power it on. First boot. It says Mi over there. So by the time it boots, let's see the physical overviews. So here we have the volume rocker and the power button. Here we have the speaker and the micro USB. On this side, we have nothing. It had booted surprisingly fast. Anyways, here we have a headphone jack. And here's the SIM card area. In the back, camera and dual flash. So I'll just set up the phone. So English, United States, I'll go with that. Keyboard, I'll go with Google Play keyboard. Next, Wi-Fi, I'll skip the step. And there's no SIM card right now, so I will just continue. And next, I'll skip through all this. Google location. Next, allow Google's location services to collect anonymous location data. Some data may be stored. Okay. In a previous version of Android, you turned off the ability to Android apps to access your location. Turn it back on for all. Okay. Okay. Start using MIUI. Loading launcher. And there, it is on. So this, guys, is the all new Xiaomi Mi3. Before we go off, I'm just going to show you how to put a SIM in here. So first of all, find the SIM ejection thing right here and take it out. Use this, just put it in there and press it like that, and this should pop out. Just put your SIM card in there and put it back in. Press it back and you're all set. So this, guys, is the all-new Xiaomi Mi 3. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, comment in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.